we're excited to offer this workshop in the Visegrad countries for the first time. It's great to be able to bring managerial skills to NGOs from these 4 countries, and we really look forward to having them take back the tools and training that we brought them to make impact in their organization and help them be more effective and sustainable.
For me, this workshop was very beneficial because I personally picked up some toolkits and practical techniques to be a very healthy and effective leader.
I've met a lot of interesting professionals from the V4 countries, but from the US as well, from multiple and multicultural perspectives. So this is something I appreciate very much as well.
The involvement of these participants is top-notch. They're really bright, they're very energetic, they're very knowledgeable, and they contribute an awful lot to the program.
What is useful and what I will apply next week with beneficiaries that I meet on the field is to talk about media literacy and how to recognize the fake from the real news and maybe to pay attention more on it.
For me it was very interesting, like the discovery that I can do my own strategy for my own part of our organization's operation that I didn't think until now. I was just giving it all to our board.
The training at all was like really great and every session was really beneficial.